All right, we got this really nice Famiworths coffee maker. This is at the Airbnb me and my brother staying at. And it's really nice, very easy to use. Basically, what you can do, so here's the coffee mugs. You could just fill a coffee mug up with water. So you fill it up with water just to get the perfect amount to make 1 cup if that's all you want. Then you can come back here, pour your water in there. That's where the water sits. And there's also this measuring area over here that you can do as well. Then you're gonna come up here, put your little coffee, I forget what these things are called, the cup things right in there. You're gonna shut it, press the button. This is gonna be under there, and you're good to go. It's amazing, very easy to use, and I highly recommend it.